There's a certain magic to traveling alone. You answer to no one, free to follow your whims and curiosities. This freedom extends beautifully to the table. Solo dining on the road isn't sad or awkward. It's an adventure, a chance to savor the world, one delicious bite at a time. Forget the self-conscious glances at empty chairs. Embrace the opportunity. You're untethered, able to slip into that tiny, bustling bistro. Order the dish that makes your heart sing. No need for compromise. Savor the flavors, the atmosphere, the complete and utter indulgence in your own company. This isn't just about food. It's about connecting with a place on a deeper level. It's about pushing your comfort zone and discovering the unexpected. It's about freedom, pure and simple. And trust me, there's nothing quite as liberating as that first bite of something truly incredible, enjoyed on your own terms. Finding the perfect solo dining spot takes a little legwork, but the payoff is huge. Ditch the tourist traps. You want the real deal. Start your research before you even leave home. Food blogs, travel forums, even Instagram hashtags. They're gold mines of local intel. Look for places packed with locals. Ask your hotel staff, your taxi driver, the old lady selling flowers on the corner. They'll steer you right. Don't be afraid to venture off the beaten path. Some of the best meals are found in the most unexpected places. Once you've found a contender, check the vibe. Is it bustling? Intimate? Does it feel welcoming to a solo diner? Trust your gut. If a place feels right, it probably is. And if you're still unsure, grab a seat at the bar. Bartenders are walking encyclopedias of local knowledge, and they're always up for a chat. Food is the language of culture. It tells stories, preserves traditions, and connects us across continents. When you dine alone, you open yourself up to these stories. Embrace local specialties. Order that dish you can't pronounce. Ask questions. Be curious. Don't be afraid to look foolish. Most locals appreciate the effort to engage with their culture. And hey, even if you butcher the pronunciation, at least you'll have a good story to tell. Food has the power to break down barriers and create connections. It's a universal language that transcends words. So, ditch the guidebook and let your stomach be your compass. Wander through local markets, sample street food, pull up a chair at a communal table. You never know who you might meet or what culinary adventures await. Remember, the best travel experiences are often the ones we stumble upon unexpectedly. So keep your eyes open, your mind open, and your stomach empty. The art of the one top. Let's face it, dining alone can feel awkward at first, but it doesn't have to be. The key is to own it. Walk into that restaurant with confidence. Ask for a table for one without a hint of shame. The world won't end. In fact, it might just get a whole lot more interesting. Bring a book, a journal, or just your own thoughts. Use the time to observe, to reflect, to savor your surroundings. Dining alone is an opportunity to reconnect with yourself. It's a chance to escape the noise and distractions of everyday life and just be. And in our hyper-connected world, that's a rare and precious gift. If you're feeling social, strike up a conversation with your server or a fellow diner. You'd be surprised how many people are open to a chat, share stories, exchange recommendations, or just enjoy a moment of human connection. Remember, everyone has a story to tell. All it takes is a little courage to start the conversation. From pho to fado, a world of solo feasts. Some of my most memorable meals have been enjoyed alone. There was the steaming bowl of pho in Hanoi, slurped down at a tiny street stall as the city buzzed around me. Or the plate of freshly grilled sardines in Lisbon, accompanied by the soulful sounds of fado music spilling out from a nearby bar. I'll never forget the perfect slice of pizza devoured on a park bench in Rome, the Colosseum looming majestically in the distance. Or the steaming cup of masala chai sipped on a train rattling through the Indian countryside, the scent of spices filling the air. These weren't just meals, they were experiences, moments etched in my memory, made all the more vivid by the simple act of savoring them alone. So go forth and create your own solo dining adventures. Embrace the freedom, the spontaneity, the opportunity to connect with the world on your own terms. You never know what culinary delights await.